Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool, amazing product right here in my hand that's by a brand DYA. And pretty much what this is a garden hose that you can use to water your plants, maybe wash your cars, or whatever the case may be. That's up to you guys at the end of the day. First thing first, I'm actually open up and show you guys what the product looks like first. And then inside you can see there's a garden hose inside. But inside you can also see that they provide you a little user manual instruction guide on how to set a product and how to use it. So as you can see, they provide you the hose right here. They provide you this little hook or this hanger right here, so then that way you guys can actually hang the garden hose where they're not using whatnot. Last thing to provide you inside is the actual spray nozzle right here, as you can see. That also comes with 2 additional washers that you can use to help prevent the product from leaking. So first thing, let's take a look at the spray nozzle. You guys can see right here, all you guys kind of have to do is press this button here to spray the water out and whatnot. Bottom part, you can actually attach it onto the garden hose itself. If you guys take a look right here, there's all the different 9 patterns of water that you can spray out. And if you guys take a look right here in the front, this is basically what it looks like. So wherever you guys want to turn to on the arrow part right here, that is what actually we use. So let's say if I turn on this one, you guys can see that I will actually use the mist option right here. So you guys have this option right here to make it tighter or looser for the actual nozzle itself, depending on what you guys want to use. So these are the 2 ends you guys can see. If you guys can tell, this is how you guys know which one it is. So basically you guys just want to put this part in like this and keep turning it until it's all the way in. And you guys have the option right here to kind of open it or close the opening of the actual product itself. So let me actually show you guys what I mean. So if you guys close this part right here, you guys can see that I sealed it up the product completely, so that way no water can go through. But if you open it up, you guys can see there's a hole that is open, so you guys can actually start spraying water out. In terms of the material on here though, it's really nice and really durable. They say that it's much more durable than other brands out there in the market because of what is used to made on here. And if you guys look at how stretchable it is, it's actually pretty amazing. Like, it's really stretchable. So that's basically everything that's on the product itself. Let me actually go do a quick test to show you guys what it looks like and how to apply it on, and then come back and talk more about the product itself. So when you guys set it up, this is basically what it looks like. You guys can stand it as long as you need to. Basically change the different function on here, so like the mist and everything. This will be fan. This one will be shower. This will be angle. This will be flat. This will be flood. This will be mist. This will be jet. This will be center. This will be cone. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw the test of the product. You can see that it's actually really easy to use and apply. Nothing too hard or too much that will stop you guys from using it. Really simple and easy to use. Just need to attach it onto the right end. Attach it correctly, make sure it's tight. Make sure you guys have the option you guys want on here before you guys squeeze the nozzle right here, because once you guys squeeze it, then water will just come out at you or wherever you guys want to spray at directly. Really powerful and whatnot. So now that we did the unboxing and testing of the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So honestly, I have to say that this product is actually worth it if you guys need one or one of these. Especially if you guys have a garden that you guys need to spray water daily or weekly to maintain your plants and whatnot, then this would definitely be worth it in that case. Also, if you guys have like a car, you guys have to wash your car or something, you guys can use the strongest option to kind of like hose down your car, wash it with soap or whatever. This is another option to use. So you guys can use for both gardening or washing your cars or whatever you guys want to. That's up to you guys. But regardless of what you guys want to use it for, it's really worth it because it's so powerful and so compact and lightweight. But obviously for those guys who don't want one or don't need one or have no use for one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else they actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for this little unboxing, testing, and feedback of this product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have